This video, I will be going through the technical implementation of my cat Haven NGO website. I will explain how I developed each page, the key features coded using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and how each section complements user experience. We start with the home page. The home page lays the tone and acts as a welcoming center. I use pink and soft red colors to inspire warmth and kindness, aligning with the NGO's mission. Structurally, this page uses common HTML elements like header, sections, and footer to organize content easily. The header contains the logo and navigation links to the rest of the site. One key interactive feature here is dark light mode toggle. This JavaScript generated button uses toggle class on the body element to switch between dark and light modes. The theme styles are defined in CSS using custom style changes such as dark mode to adjust background and text color. The toggle is a button with an event listener, as you can see here. It uses an event listener for click, so every time the user clicks on the button, it changes the mode and stores the theme choice in local storage for future visits. Another homepage only feature is the Did You Know Cat Facts generator. This is implemented using JavaScript. I created a list of facts and used a button to randomly select and display a new fact each time the button is clicked. The random list is created with a math floor function. This brings a fun educational feature to the site and entertains the users. Now we go on to the Adopt a Cat page. The Adopt a Cat page focuses on presenting individual cats available for adoption. Each cat is presented inside a div class card with a image, name, and short description. One of the major features here are the search and filter functionality made with JavaScript. This feature allows users to type into an input box, and the cats available are filtered in real time based on the name and other keywords. If we write, let's say, 3 years old, oops. If you write, let's say, Luna, it will show us Luna. If you write any other cat, it will show us that kittens, young, or adult. I created this using an event listener to the input field. When the user types, the code goes through all of the cat cards. Yeah, cat cards. And if the match isn't found, the cards are hidden using the style display none. This feature allows potential adopters to specify their options. Now we move on to the rescue stories page. The rescue stories page is more plot driven. Each story is showcased as a card that includes an image, a title, and a short description of the rescue. Structurally, this page is quite simple. It uses common tags such as common tags, which and a simple layout to create a change. No JavaScript features were added here. Instead, this page focuses on visual storytelling through layout and image presentation. Each card is tiled with CSS using box shadow, border radius, and padding to create a welcoming and easy to read layout. We move on to the donate page. The donate page promotes users to financially support the cause. It includes a paragraph of the impact and along with ways of donation, followed by a prominent call to action. I added a small JavaScript alert function to the donate button. When clicked, the button triggers an alert message thanking the user for their generosity. It was implemented with a basic event listener. Uh, though it's simple, it adds an immediate and friendly feedback confirms the user's action. We move on to the next page, which is contact. The contact page includes a form that allows users to reach out to the NGO. The form has input fields for name, email, and message. I added two features here using JavaScript. Firstly, which is a character counter attached to the message text area. As the user types, the remaining character count is updated in real time. This happens because of the input event on a text area mixed with a simple subtraction formula that updates the counter. As you can see, secondly, it is a form validation script which checks that all required fields are filled out before its submission. This is done by using an event listener on the form submit event. If any field is empty, the event prevent default function stops the form from submitting and a visible message appears asking the user to complete all the fields. This adds a layer of usage and stops incomplete submissions. I'll give you an example. Firstly, for the character counter, if you write hello, it updates the counter to 5 characters. And second is the form validation. As you can see, it asks me to fill out the name and the email, and it shows the message. Please fill out all the fields, enter a valid email address. We move on to the next page, which is the About Us. It gives visitors insight into the teams and the mission of Haven NGO. It includes a brief idea about the organization, the founder, and the journey. From a technical view, this page is mainly HTML and CSS. It uses a clean layout to organize text and images. There is no JavaScript features. Main goal is to provide information. Styling is remained to be consistent to maintain consistency. Lastly, the volunteer page. It introduces various ways the customers can contribute their time to help the cats. It has 3 cards: foster cat, transport helper, and event volunteer, each complemented with their own div and CSS. At the bottom, there's a CTA button redirecting users to reach out via the contact us page if they want to sign up. The link is styled as a button using CSS and visual prompt to take action. No JavaScript features are added onto this page.